Hello everyone, welcome to IKSHAK Academy. So, most of the students, when doing addition and subtraction are the most important thing in your calculation part in mathematics. Uh, Addition, when you are doing addition and subtraction, you have to follow the number line. Number line, that means a number line is the representation of the positive numbers, the negative numbers, including zero. Here is the number line, and here the negative numbers are here. Okay, so in a number line, these are the positive numbers. Okay, and these are the negative numbers, and including zero. This is a number line, and all these numbers are known as integers. Okay, so when you are doing the calculation, that is like as the addition of -2 plus 4, yeah, -4 plus 2, -4 minus 2. Okay, this type of calculation, that is these calculations are under integers. Okay, then you have to follow the number lines. As per the number lines, you can do these calculations very easily. And apart from this, there is another trick. That's a very shortcut trick and easy trick you have to remember. And first of all, I am now solving this as per the number line. Okay, -2 plus 4. That means here is -2 plus 4. That means we have to add plus 4. That means when this is addition, then we have to go to the right hand side. This is the positive numbers. This is the right hand side. When increasing, then we have to go in the right hand side. That is -2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So -2 plus 4, that is equals to your 2. Okay, the answer is 2. Then -4 plus 2, that is equals to -4. Here is the -4 plus 2. Same type, -2 plus 4 and -4 plus 2. Two questions are of same type. So you can solve this question. That is -4 plus 2. Here is -4 plus 2. That means 1. This is 2. So again, this is -4 plus 2 equals to your -2. -4. Here is -4 plus 1. Then next plus 1. Here is -2. Okay, -4 plus 2 equals to your -2. -2 plus 4 equals to your +2. Okay. Next, -4 minus 2. So here is -4 and -2. That means it is decreasing. It is the order of decreasing 2 units. When you are when you are doing the subtraction, then it's decreasing. The value is decreasing. That means just extend this number line. Okay. Here is -4 minus 2. That means left hand side. -1. Here is -2. The answer is -6. Okay, here is -6. So this is as per your number line. But apart from this, there is a shortcut trick. That shortcut trick is your -2 plus 4 here. That is here it is a negative number and it is positive number. Two different numbers are present. Positive numbers and negative number. That means you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Here the smaller number is 2 and the greater number is 4. So just subtract the smaller number from the greater number, that is 4 minus 2 is equals to your 2. And the greater number follow the sign, positive sign. Here is the greater number is the 4 and it is followed by the positive sign. So the answer is also in positive number. Okay, that is +2 and plus sign. यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, only 2. Okay, then -4 plus 2. That means here is a negative number and here is the positive number. Okay, so two numbers are different. Is a positive number and is negative number. So greater number is 4 and the smaller number is 2. That is 4 minus 2 equals to your 2, and the greater number is followed by the sign minus sign. So here is minus sign. The answer is -2. Okay, then here is negative and here is also negative. Both are negative numbers. Okay, both are negative numbers. That means when the two numbers containing same sign, here same sign is present, both are negative numbers. So you have to add these two numbers. 4 plus 2 equals to your 6, and the sign is same in both the numbers. So this is -6. Okay, this is the shortcut trick, and I hope no student when solving these problems, this calculation, okay, कभी भी ऐसा गलती मत करना. ऐसे शॉर्टकट ट्रिक को आराम से याद रख लो और आराम से इजीली उसको सॉल्व कर पाओगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच.